Welcome, Thrivers! Whether you're new to minimalism or looking to refine your journey, Quit Clutter offers inspiration and guidance for everyone. Join us if you're ready to quit clutter and organize, optimize, and thrive in your life. Welcome to Tiny Triumphs, Quit Clutter. This is our cell phone edition. Each day we will spotlight the triumph of the day with this frame. This series is designed to be decluttering that we can do together. Each of these videos should be about 10 minutes long and walk you through the steps and mindset of various decluttering activities. The word challenge implies struggle and starts off with a negative mindset. Instead, we are going to triumph over small changes that will build up over time. We are going to organize, optimize, and thrive with our tiny triumphs. If you need a body double to help you get going, let's get started. The most important tool for decluttering is our mindset. Decide if you are going to complete a time period or a task. The task may take longer than this video, so it's important to first decide on your criteria for success. Also, think about the benefits you will enjoy when we're done.
If you haven't seen it yet, check out this video about the impact your digital footprint has on the environment. So many things we never considered. It's scary. Today we are learning the basics of how to approach digital decluttering. The Tiny Triumph series will walk you through the steps, but it is helpful to understand the bigger picture first. In today's digital age, our devices overflow with emails, files, photos, and apps, creating overwhelming clutter. Digital decluttering is essential for boosting productivity, reducing stress, and enhancing device performance. It is also essential in reducing your carbon and digital footprints. Before diving into the decluttering process, asking the right questions can help tailor your approach, making it more effective and sustainable. This video explores key questions to consider before starting your digital decluttering journey, ensuring a focused and successful transformation of your digital space. By addressing these questions, you'll be better prepared to tackle clutter and maintain a streamlined, efficient digital environment. Assessing the need for decluttering. Before embarking on digital decluttering, it's crucial to assess your current situation. Start by identifying the types of digital clutter you have: emails, files, photos, apps, and more. Reflect on why you want to declutter. Is it to improve productivity, reduce stress, free up storage, or decrease your digital footprint? Recognize specific pain points caused by digital clutter, such as slow device performance or difficulty finding important files. By understanding your unique challenges and motivations, you can set a clear purpose for your decluttering efforts, ensuring a more focused and effective process tailored to your needs. Evaluating current digital habits. Before decluttering, evaluate your current digital habits. Consider how often you organize your digital space and what systems you use for managing files, apps, and emails. Reflect on your backup routines, including how frequently and by what methods you secure important data. Understanding your existing practices allows you to develop better strategies for maintaining a clutter-free digital environment, making it easier to prevent the future accumulation of unnecessary digital items. This self-awareness is key to sustaining long-term digital organization and efficiency. We will be building systems for improving these habits throughout the Tiny Triumphs series. Prioritizing areas to declutter. In the Tiny Triumphs series on this channel, we will be exploring initial digital decluttering in the most impacted cell phone storage spaces. Other TT series will expand on other areas of both digital and general decluttering. Having a targeted approach ensures that the most impactful decluttering tasks are tackled first, leading to a more manageable and effective digital decluttering experience. Setting goals and expectations. We will be setting goals in each of the TT videos this week. In each one, you will be asked to consider whether your goal will be time-specific, either with a timer or by video length, or task-specific. Some goals, like decluttering email or photos, will always be ongoing tasks and not completed in a set number of sessions. Setting a goal and completing it provides an automatic dopamine reinforcement and increases the likelihood of doing it again. This is how we build tasks into habits. Planning the decluttering process. Fortunately, you do not need to do a lot of planning in order to get started with digital decluttering. Quit Clutter has established the Tiny Triumphs series to help you get started. You do not need anything more than your digital device and a way to jot down notes in order to schedule reminders at the end of each video. We will also explore digital detox methods to reduce how much clutter these devices contribute into your life. Considering privacy and security. We are not going to do a deep dive on privacy and security in this Tiny Triumphs series, but it is a possibility in the future if there is interest. Reducing cookies, updating passwords, and managing unused online accounts are all valid considerations for decluttering. We also recently started using a VPN for additional security with the launch of this channel. Ready to transform your digital space and optimize your productivity while decreasing your carbon footprint? Take the first step towards a cleaner, more efficient digital life today, and embrace the clarity and efficiency that come with a well-organized digital space. Let's get started with our Tiny Triumphs as we explore decluttering our cell phones, apps, files, photos, email, and contacts, and experience the difference of less digital clutter in our phones. If you need a body double to help you get going, please use the videos anytime you need them. This is a strategy that is frequently used by people with attention deficit hyperactive disorder. To summarize, digital decluttering is a powerful way to enhance productivity, reduce stress, improve device performance, and decrease your carbon footprint. You can ask the right questions before you start, evaluate your current habits, prioritize areas to declutter, and plan your process. Remember to consider privacy and security throughout the process, and ensure that your plan works for you. With careful planning and a focused approach, you can create a streamlined, efficient digital environment that supports your overall well-being. Lucky for you, we have 6 days of videos planned to help you get the process started. Congratulations on completing day 1. Let's get started with our phone apps on day 2. Even though we didn't delete anything today, your thoughts are more organized. That's a win.
Congratulations. You did it. You have less clutter. We have more Tiny Triumphs coming daily, until the week is finished. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. The playlist for this Tiny Triumph series is also linked above. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on decluttering, personal growth and moderate minimalism. Wow, Thrivers! We accomplished a lot today. Thanks for watching, and share your Tiny Triumph from today's session in the comments section below. Embark on this journey of decluttering together in order to organize, optimize and thrive with Quit Clutter. See you in the next video, Thrivers. Congratulations.